Let's see how to put your face on another body without Photoshop. Go to your browser and just open this website remaker.ai/face-swap.free. So I'll put this video website link in my video description. Just open this website and here click on upload image to upload your original image. So this is my original image. In this body I want to add another face. So in this target face box I'm just adding my face just like this. So this face will add to this body. I'm just clicking on swap and here we can see my image creating. It may take some minutes to create or swap your face. And here as you can see my results successfully generated. Now you can make the image HD quality by clicking on upscale. Also you can download the image by clicking on download and you can see the before and after result by clicking here. So that's how we can add face to another body without Photoshop.